In this video, we will show you how to insert a line above and below the text. So let's start the video. So I am going to show you two methods here. So first method is click on the text where you want to insert a line. Go to design option. In the design, we have one option as a page border. Click on it. Here, click on border option. Select box border and choose here whatever the line you want. I am selecting this line. If you want to change a color, change color from here. I am selecting one of the color. And if you want to change the width also, you can choose from here. I am taking this 3-point width. In the preview, we can see the border from all four sides. So remove the border from left side as well as from right side. Now click on OK. So we can see that our line inserted above and below the text. So this is the first way. Second way we are going to discuss now. I'm clicking here and we'll take text as a like and subscribe. Select it. After selecting it, click on insert option. Go to equations. In the ascent option, click on it. Here we have overbar and underbar. So click on overbar once. Again click on ascent and choose the underbar. So right now it's in the formula. So to convert it to the text, in the conversion we have one option as a text. So click on it. So now it's converted into text. So these are the two methods which you can use for the line above and below the text. So hope this video is helpful to you. If yes, please share this video with your friends and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.